What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this 1969 Nova SS Big Block 396 that's been totally redone under the hood. Look at this beast. Automatic transmission with a 396 375 horsepower, upgraded headers, aluminum radiator, power brakes, power steering. Look how fresh. Everything's been gone through. You can eat off of it in here. It's beautiful. High-rise manifold. Everything's been done. Holley 4-barrel, aluminum radiator, like I said, with the fans. Nice, nice, nice. There we go. This gaps off a little bit, but that's it that I could find on the whole car. But your chrome bumpers are fresh as fresh. Your grill's great. All your lights, marker lights, work the way they should. Wipers. All your glass and chrome around the car are in great shape. It's got a great stance. Like I said, this is an SS. Gaps out right. It's got traction bars on it. Nice humble look to it with the steel wheels. Paint lays great. Really solid all the way throughout. Couldn't find any flaws in it. Trunk lines up the way it should. Glass in the rear is good. Rear chrome bumper, great. It's got a 12-bolt posi rear end. Look how nice and clean it is. I'll take more pics. I'll have them on our website, MGM Classic Cars. So you'll have it. Super straight all the way through. Body, I don't even see any door dings. Let me step off it. You see how it gaps out, just the way it should. Front fender in good shape all the way throughout. And like I said, that is a redone 396, 375 horse. This thing scoots. Interior's in real good shape. Back seat, no problems. 6x9s in the rear. Your headliner's good. Door panels are good, and dash. It's all SS. Look at how clean this is. Nice car. Sorry about the shadow. Sun's in a funky spot. 14,267 miles on it. Of course, SS's came with this, the center console, with your gauges. Seem to be all working properly. Upgraded radio. Carpet's in great shape. Runs out great, handles real good, and it stops great as well, everybody. 1969 Nova SS Big Block 396, freshly been done, automatic trans. Nice car. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 miles from O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Grab a pen and I'll give you my number. We've got over 190 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All our photos, description, video, as well as pricings on our website. That's mgmclassiccars.com. We offer special financing if you have good credit, up to 180 months with only 10% down. You also can do shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured to your front door, opened or enclosed. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, mgmclassiccars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, like I said, or need quotes, just text me. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time on this beautiful 1969 SS Nova Big Block 396. Have a great day, everybody.